Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I'll show you two ways to log into Ubuntu WSL after installation. Let's start with the first method. Simply open the Windows search bar by clicking the Start button or pressing the Windows key. Type Ubuntu and click on the Ubuntu app when it appears in the search results. You'll be logged into Ubuntu automatically, and the terminal will open ready for you to use. That's the quickest and most straightforward way. Now for the second method. Open the Windows search bar again and type Terminal, then open the Windows Terminal application. Once it's open, type the following command: WSL --d Ubuntu, then press Enter. This will launch your Ubuntu WSL distribution directly from within Windows Terminal. And that's it. Those are the two easiest ways to log into Ubuntu WSL on Windows. Both methods work perfectly, so choose whichever one you find more convenient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.